Rheem Power Vent water heaters are advanced systems that use a blower motor to exhaust flue gases, providing flexible installation options compared to traditional natural draft units. The blower motor on top of the unit creates positive pressure to push combustion gases through the vent system. This allows for longer vent runs and more installation flexibility than natural draft systems. When the water heater's operational sequence is interrupted or a component malfunctions, the system displays error codes on the control panel. These codes help technicians quickly identify and diagnose issues. The key components that can trigger error codes include the blower motor, pressure switch shown here, igniter, and gas valve. The pressure switch is particularly important as it confirms proper airflow before allowing ignition. Newer Rheem models include Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring and advanced safety features like flammable vapor detection sensors that automatically shut down the unit if dangerous conditions are detected. When troubleshooting error codes, always consult Rheem's official guides and work with qualified technicians for accurate diagnosis and safe repairs. This ensures proper operation and maintains warranty coverage. When your Rheem Power Vent water heater displays an error code, specific troubleshooting steps can help identify and resolve the issue. Let's examine the most common error codes and their solutions. Error code 05 indicates imperfect combustion, which means the water heater is not burning fuel efficiently. This can lead to poor performance and potential safety issues. To troubleshoot error code 05, check three key components: the air inlet filter, combustion air fan, and heat exchanger fins. Start by inspecting and cleaning the air inlet filter. Error code 10 signifies flame loss, meaning the burner flame has been extinguished unexpectedly. This requires immediate attention to restore proper operation. For error code 10, the primary troubleshooting step is to monitor gas pressure. Low gas pressure is often the culprit behind flame loss issues. Error code 11 points to ignition failure, particularly common with LPG users. The system cannot successfully light the main burner. LPG users experiencing error code 11 should first check their propane bottle levels. Empty or low propane tanks are a frequent cause of ignition failure. Error code 14 indicates dangerous overheating conditions. This is a serious safety issue that requires immediate professional attention. Error code 14 requires a service call. Do not attempt to troubleshoot this yourself. Turn off the unit and contact a qualified technician immediately. Error code 29 suggests a clogged neutralizer in the condensate system. This affects the unit's ability to properly handle acidic condensate. To resolve error code 29, inspect the APS condensate system and check the condensate line for blockages. Clean or replace the neutralizer as needed. Error codes 35, 51, 52, and 61 often indicate problems with the fan motor or gas valve. These codes share similar troubleshooting approaches. These error codes require checking wiring connections and may need component replacements. Start with visual inspection of all electrical connections. Always prioritize safety when troubleshooting water heater issues. When in doubt, or for complex problems, consult a qualified professional technician.